Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about NIOS assignments and before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093688238. And the question number 4B is Alankriti want to build a cuboidal water tank which has a capacity to store water represented by the polynomial when it is fully filled. Whereas represent the height of the tank, identify height of the tank as a monomial, binomial, or trinomial. Find the degree of the polynomial representing the capacity of the cuboidal tank. Find the expression for the polynomial representing the area of the base of the cuboidal tank. Also, calculate the possible expressions for the length and breadth. And fourth one is the polynomial will represent the amount of water that leak from the above fully filled cuboidal tank. Then find the expression for the polynomial representing the volume of the water left in the tank and find the polynomial that represent the height of the remaining water in the tank. So these are the questions of assignments. If you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing your screen below. And thank you so much for watching.